Shasi ejebo ejanya bedu yede ni nyina akwa akogu na oman bay ni tumi gisi ni na so na wonim se Ghana under 20 enche ne yekọ wafu zombi eno so honsem ofidama na no pai me dachi ediama tiefo nyina Kamaldin Sulemana wonim se Techiman de hye no kọ waka buy no waba na oba ni nchi no wabe donation hwan kra no yes donation de ma no ensam ne dos pa na no pai me di ene my gimentary hono yen Shasi wo ofisem num na chese bibia tumi enye kama Jumadi aye live on Facebook. Now Facebook aye Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Now YouTube no aye Sompa FM live. Sompa FM live on YouTube. Enti na no pay kama hwe na ensam ne yemfa ni nyina ngu na chese bibia ntumi nya kama. Ye sha se dia wonim se wafu zombi tournament a ekoso ewo Cote d'Ivoire no ade Ghana yatumi qualifier games no yekwa kobo bia na chese nyasem keto akra coach Maxwell Kunadu ene ne mrante no mako piem a chese enche na jumade ni nyina shase o Cote d'Ivoire yen games a yebebo no be de honsem eba betuja ma bibia nso otime kama na winim say your first game yebebo against Nigeria na sa game no ebekoso ewo Cote d'Ivoire on the 27th of July eno na Maxwell Kunadu ne mrante no ombigina kono nyasem keto na your second game no yene Burkina Faso ene bebo na that game no July 30th ene bebo sa game no final group game no against Togo no ebe course on the 2nd of August 2026 yemu ene nsema free under 20 eba meda che na no pay dem atiefo nyina na me course waka o se jumade live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM sanso na YouTube Sompa FM live enti no join the feed no na bibia so entumi nya kama ena no pa yento aso na yeto so dia wonim say abrantia ne di ede Kamaldin Sulemana na sabranti Techiman de hye kron o hye de bobo ase ewo Techiman Liberty Youth na koya kopie mu ewo EPO num na sabria me ne wo kasai ade Atalanta eho ena osina kan che say nyasem keto akra ntina na no pai me dan trade amount say abrantia no free worker buy no okopiem ewo ne boyhood club a Techiman Liberty Youth eho ena okopie ya che say players no ne coach technical staff ni nyina eje na kwa ba chese nyasem keto akra brantia no ekoye no okoye donations kakra de ma team na niema de ma no oche football boots jerseys footballs ni ade owie no okoso atu omfo se football ne de se obeba ewo se wutimi giro ho na chese wo ye sacrifice the bree na ewo se wutimi tie o coaches na obu ade no ebebo am wutimi abobo na ko ni mama bibia nso wutimi ai Kamaldin ne ba ye no okoko pie ma chese sem no dos pa nti yenko tie nsema Kamaldin editor place nanim
Damasi. And Mungusu Mbajima. Football on a long journey. And the answer with team coaches. Team coach Dombe Canana, Mudia. We have also Mamma Shebosa, we have Bola Monjana Musi. Because as footballers, we are you. The Banana Shemo Bokra, the small things they make my family. In Timosumuna, Bola. You are always learning. Abia obi could be a transition because ball they are the chair and the more oceans the more with my call. The American say with football there Munina more talent no more music Ghanaian in general yeah very talented footballers but to be able to make it in football no and yeah just talent what is I was say Mubua there I was a team coaches I was say we are respectful we work hard. No, most importantly, some Bombay. Whether you're Christian or Muslim, or whatever, Bible, what you say, Bible hard work, talent, Ubuadia. Then it gives you a more extra hand with my making. What you say, you don't want to catch him. Me and number one, of course.
Enti Kamaldin Sulemana ani etene nka no se wo se obompaye na utie coaches no bebo amotimi abobo na ko ni biento aso na ye to aso dia wonim se Ghana ex international abrantia enka ne no sina kan de my Black Stars no David Akam na odin sambia tuja o chiremu a ye Black Stars no ye nsheda eni eye chese foundation my Black Stars no wonim se obe build ube sifia wo se o shase from the foundation na wa build ya ko PS wo chiremu say you can't start building a team from the top now na just a Black Stars in new foundation no one see a fresh stars near keko mabuma de omako tournament your console yenko performance na just ya samba David Akamchemwa you need to build a team from the scratch and no babu ama Ghana yetimi glory said ya more money yenko tie nsama David Akam edit to jano.
We need to start building from the ground. That's what we need to get the principles, our methodology. How do you want to play? How do you want to go forward? So it starts from the ground. You can't build from the top. When you're building a house, you can't build from the top. We need the foundation. The foundation is not there. So no matter the coach who brings in, it won't work. They will try and patch it. You saw the World Cup. They patch it up. They use plaster to patch it up, and when it rains, it will sink. It will drain. So we need to build from there.
But they say you didn't have enough time. So this is an opportunity to have.
When him say you were WAFCON and on your women's African African Cup of Nations and Madi and no and a Black Queens of Ghana quite Kobe no are their players ni be kasa na when him say so wait me qualify for a women's World Cup now I was so to me born home they were WAFCON na ko PM e was semi final na no and ababa wa ni di Grace Asante wa just a bono de kron free atebubu what in Zambia to ja chima Ghana yen target I de ko WAFCON no and say be qualify their ko World Cup no semi finals na de yebeka kopiem ne enso yetimi akọ World Cup ne bia no nso no ebetimi abo amane ma konkan e de ama Ghana yenkotie nsema Grace Asantewa e de tuja concerning WAFCON na eba so yi
me ba cho your friend Grace Asantewa me offensive midfielder and me bo FC Juarez e o Mexico nyame adom ye ba bibia e boko camp ye boko bia we bibia dadi WAFCON wa be ko ade mani da so se ye betumi a qualify akọ World Cup eno na ye main target esi when she speak ye betumi ani say the last year ye ko na ye betumi ayabro this time which means say e was say ye focus more na ye training hard na ye akọ World Cup na face no ye betumi akọbọ ehun ode ama o Ghana ni message anu ma Ghanaians li na say omo be ko so a support you say ne dey be omo support Black Queens na face so omo dey mpaye attach say ne nyame adom ne e tournament ni e betumi a qualify World Cup
enti Grace Asantewa ena yete ne nka na wo say omo be qualify akọ World Cup enti no obi amfa ne support enta o machi na bibia so enti menye kama na Honorable Eric Edem Agbana Honorable Eric Edem Agbana member of parliament Edema Ketu North na with him say Nukunu FC ono anso ne president na what tu ja say team Nukunu FC no edi Nukunu ne ne badin na it is a team no or build the team no what ne badin na eto team no so no so nsem efiri wa with him so ma qualify o monso no e ba be league ni bi atese nyasem ketu akora nti honorable ye ne di nkomo no wo kyerem a edi Nukunu ne de ne badin na the two team no.
Well, so my son is Nukuno. My son is called Nukuno. And he was barely 3 years when I decided to officially establish the team. Nukuno means wonders or miracle. And so I just wanted a name that resonates with the community because I can say to a large extent it's a community team. The people could relate with it. And Nukuno for me also means that right from the word go, I've always believed that the team will do wonders in football. And so far, we are doing that. And there's more that we'll be doing in the Access Bank Division 1 League.
Honorable Eric Agbana ena yete ne nkana na ena no pa adwumade live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman na YouTube Sompa FM live ye na ye ho ye bape amano ne nsem na ye krado ye hwe ne nyina gu e de ma medin ene my 106.1 FM na YouTube no Sompa FM live. Na Shaman on nsem na sia. Wunim say 11 June and 2026 FIFA World Cup ne shase na Sabria me no ka say enro 19 July 2026 ye de nyina ba na hwie na third and fourth place no course between France and England. Na eba na England the top France a couple ensia amomatimu enan. Na no enanro na the finals no course Spain and Argentina. Na dodo na enim Argentina betime defend the crown and answer the barrier no na Spain etra Argentina kabako mantimiante Abrante Nedi Ede Ferran Torres and I said the only goal in this particular game on the 106th minute when him say game no call extra time na a barrier no na Spain etimate Argentina kabako mo antimiante now when him say way ama Spain higher record be now records or more no before this game na Spain akọ 37 games unbeaten and Renebe Kanwa Spain Sabria Menoka say omako 38 games atrese wo bia entumi enshow mo no so ne de free Spain akacha ya dan chedi amatiefo na no pa na wonim say no ntino ama Spain abeye de in history the nation atrese what me call the longest unbeaten run in international football and also any the free hoba ya dan chedi amatiefo na enra was records dwumade ne nyina ba na wie no Abrante ne din Eddie Unai Simons Osina kan Edema Athletic Bilbao no eno timeji the best goalkeeper seen in answer the Golden Glove no ono eno timeji na Abrante Osina kan Edema FC Barcelona the young best player Pau Kubasi ono ene common actress Abrante no call World Cup no chese otimi abane ho maden pa until Spain defense ni goalkeeper na omotimi concede just one goal per no eno so dey free who ever Abrante and the Ade Rodrigo Cascante Rodri no ono so timiji golden ball this season na such as the best player of the tournament Abrante will call Euros or Koje or Sansiba World Cup wabeje a best player golden ball the season na so and also any the free road ya kachi ba meda train na no pai ade ma tiefo nyina na Kylian Mbappe when him say Osina kan e Madrid ono etimi share 10 goals ono so eje the golden boot e season na so Kylian Mbappe and oye the top scorer for the 2026 FIFA World Cup now just announce no dey free wa eba now fair play awards no just a team just omo comport omo yellow card omo indicators omo say that ebo gentle and decent game no e call the man Netherlands national team no omo no etimi je fair play award ni see omo na so and also any dey free FIFA catch eba na no player ye dan che e dey ma tiefo nyina na Rodri already golden ball no Rodri abeka elite players no ye ka elite players are just omo win Champions League no omotimi awe ne World Cup astimi awe ne Ballon d'Or no the players bebre entimi enye sade no bebre na je Ballon d'Or so no monje World Cup bebi so etimi age Champions League ba World Cup no omo entimi nje enti players ba go back and 9 and Kron and etimi aye sade na Rodri abeka ho 10 players na nei omo etimi age World Cup Champions League and afi Ballon d'Or no would him say in the year 1966 Abrante and the papa ne di Eddie Bobby Charlton etimi yebi na Jed Muller and so etimi aye Frank Beckenbauer ono so no eka ho bia Paolo Rossi of free Italy no ono so eka ho bi Zinedine Zidane France ni papa no ono so etimi aye bia Rivaldo ono every Brazil ono so etimi aye bi Ronaldinho and so every Brazil ono so no etimi ante sad trophies miensan bi na Kaka and so Brazilian na wotimi aye bi na the current one Lionel Messi ono so etimi ji bi in the year 2022 and many wo kasa Rodri and so abeka ho bia no so no ene de free ho ba ye dan che na no pai e ma tiefo nyina na wonim sa no your friend the triple crown na just a triple crown the UEFA Champions League the FIFA World Cup and afi the Ballon d'Or Rodri and so abeka ho bia na just say enya asem keto akra enra game na barrier in Argentina coach Lionel Scaloni no coach the Argentina na after the game any bisa so papa with team no mabo mo dey pa na so in the finals no Argentina mutimi lose by 1-0 Spain eshemo na say na feeling it ye dem cramp na obetimi aka fast answer no ena papa ne press conference na sisa na just say nisio babe my emre na just say o tin nisio sa yanko ti Lionel Scaloni
y me duele
na was but ne nisio kwa no wote na wonim say Kylian Mbappe ba goals na sha no wo se na afi FIFA World Cup ro wotimi ese 10 goals so no so ne de free na catch ba na wey ama Kylian Mbappe abe the all-time top scorer ever FIFA World Cup num wonim say wabo 22 games ever World Cup num sanso na watch 22 goals ade a wo twe Messi mo twe Ronaldo mu tese players abo World Cup ni na ye player watch goals kesepa Kylian Mbappe na wonim say season Kylian Mbappe ultimately major trophy bia but individually na just a ban La Liga ultimately 25 goals so how no top scorer at the La Liga na UEFA Champions League no so no ultimately top scorer seen na so FIFA World Cup and so no or 10 goals at just a tournament bia Kylian Mbappe about this particular season no or the top scorer seen na so no so any dey free na catch ba na man for bebre ese dey why ye dey we see it me the Ballon d'Or the man no na bibia tumi e kama na so no ye hwe dey ebe free mu ba na trese ye dan che e dey amatie for enra Spain eti World Cup no Spain abaye the only team na trese simultaneously omo etime Emma World Cup no etime Mema World Cup no when say 2023 Women's World Cup no course no Spain ena eje ye ma no enra so Mema dey no course no Spain na just yo na so eti the only team in history say omo timi ayesa no simultaneously no Spanish national team na now no pay ye dan che e dey amatie fo nyina na when say records bebre ena epiemu ewo FIFA World Cup we say entina Branton din ede Rodri na just a banner records a wire when him say waje the triple crown no na so you hear Rodri just a career na just a man for bebrese wa complete football when him say 2018 or the UEFA Super Cup this scene na so na obe PM na no Atletico Madrid or free one obe PM e Man City na hono or the Premier League in 2020 2021 and after no 2021 2022 or the Premier League no 22 23 or the Premier League and 23 24 or the Premier League no in so now or the FA Cup in the year 2022-23 after 25-26 and so on the FA Cup now EFL and a Carabao Cup no in the year 2019-20 or the AC in so Samson at 2021 or the Edison in so after 25-26 or the EFL Cup no scene in so a Community Shield in the year 2019 a Brantier Rodri AGC in so and after a Champions League no in the year 2022-2023 or G AC in so Man City a UEFA Super Cup in the year 2023 Otimi Eje yana face no Club World Cup in the year 2023 Otimi Eje ni naswa wey any the free road ya catching now e ban Spain na say national team no Otimi Eje Euro 2024 esi ni naswa Nations League 2022-2023 waje Edison ni naswa Samson na World Cup 2026 waje Edison ni naswa na Ballon d'Or in the year 2024 Waji esi ni naswa eye 2026 no otimi eje World Cup Golden Ball na trese wo hwe sa nyema ya amanfo bebre echrema Rodri eye the best all-time midfielder in football history and also any the free na kache ba ye dan chano pay e de man tie for na wonim say records ni ya na amanfo ye na Messi so be PM World Cup ya se no records ahodo a waye no trese ye na che e man tie for ni emfa show ni nyina si na trese bibia entumi enye kamantini me boboso a records are Messi aya World Cup women na say or the first MLS player to say why multiple assists in one match and I face the second player to say what a World Cup finals miensa now to say 2014 or boy 2022 or boy 2026 Messi echo PM final and not say the free Messi akache banana na or the first player with 4 knockout assists now to say World Cup na knockout stages no yeah assist no now to say Messi atimi ye bia one Pele na Messi the oldest outfield player in a semi-final and a final. See both semi-final and a final no player when ye power Bobino Messi etimi side na the player with most chances na just creative in a World Cup Messi can who be just records in the doors of most appearance 17 after tied with most quarter-final appearances and also 4 na just a records niya no one of the men to score in 5 FIFA World Cups. Now to say FIFA World Cup different editions by 5 award share goals. Messi can be now to say yes, 7 goals ewo FIFA World Cup no. Why yes ade na play no 2 different World Cups or 7 goals. Now just say Mrantie bienu pe and atimi yes ade no ne Kylian Mbappe and just say no so any the free hold but now just most goals from outside the box. So yes goals. Now just a ball no any 18-yard box no Messi atimi has 6 and also need the free hold bar. Most minutes played say a player what ball na ball minutes do pa Messi about 3,054 minutes not just oldest hat-trick scorer. Not just a year ball worker player when ye pa obo hat-trick no Messi ball hat-trick now 38 years 355 days and also any the free hold by year then no pay and the amount here for records na draws pa. Now he has scored against the most opponents. Not just a wish go at different opponents. Marco 15. Not just a draw so I'm running to young fancy not just be able to me kama nyama ya do chana yebesa welcome now trending issues in sports ya the bro on tip of source now be able to me kama no pay jumadia ifa Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Samsung na YouTube Sompa FM Live. Now, Systematic Press and on the call Facebook and YouTube. Midi and MIG way tip of sports. Me sorry, no, why hina champo atwaso area mount.